Hello everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the done for you girl. You want to know what keeps people broke every single day? Not taking action and skepticism. Now let me show you something. This is my account. Yes, I'm crazy and I'm showing you my real bank account balance of $92,000. $92,000. What would you do with 92 grand? More importantly, forget me. I want to show you what I do to help other people just like yourself that never made $1 on the internet. I'm inviting you today to my live training. Click the button below and I will help you like I helped everyone here make their first sale. First sale, first sale, first sale, first sale, first sale, first sale. I could go on forever, but I'm going to stop talking. Let's get to the money. Click the button below and join me right now and let's make money. Let's go.
Oh,